Let's see how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube on your iPhone. Just come to Settings, then General. And from here, just look for picture-in-picture. And then you just need to toggle this one, Start picture-in-picture automatically. There we go, that's the first step. Then just come here to your YouTube app, open it, come down here to You, tap on it, and here on the top, just tap on this gear icon and look for Playback. Here on Playback, you just need to come down and enable picture-in-picture, just right here. Just toggle this one and you're good to go. Now your YouTube is going to work with the picture-in-picture. Pretty easy, okay? So that's the way you can enable picture-in-picture for YouTube on your iPhone.